swim, guys.
That's why you're all here, to help support my channel and my story.
Oh, there he is again. I've had it where I've seen a rainbow in the whale snot. That's really neat. Look at that, you can see his face. Oh my word, look at that. See, maybe he'll turn on his side. Yeah, they do. They're
An out three behind us.
very curious animals. Yep. Oh, whale snot.
Oh, he will come up. Come up.
What lazy bear does for base when they call him in, eh? I mean,
You know what it is? It's our big smiles.
yes, yeah, sure. Get out of the way.
Yeah, if you need to switch around spots, go right on ahead.
Oh, absolutely. I want you guys to. I want you to have the best experience. Look at this. Oh, lovely.
Yeah, you can scoot right up to the back if you want there.
Oh, Lori, yay. You don't know where to look anymore.
Right there, Yvette.
Oh, do you feel that?
Yeah.
You just bubbled up under the boat.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Pretty nice.
This is exactly what we want. Now I'll just keep them both shut.
Here's another one. Here's coming.
Got one here.
Good job.
You want help cleaning it up again?
Wow, they're all over now again.
the boat.
Yeah, they'll do that too. The vibration will pass through the boat as well. They just like the feeling.
Three of them, beautiful.
We got another one right here. Coming
Okay,
up.
gonna come up. There we go.
Right, there he goes.
Yeah.
Oh, 4 of them, 5 of them.
Shoot myself. My head off. Camera off.
How's that? How's that, Barb?
That's pretty awesome.
That's pretty awesome. Wow. Look at this.
Oh, wow. Oh,
Oh,
that's a baby one.
Yeah.
That was a baby one.
My. He just kind of put you.
Coming up, coming up.
Oh,
Kill squad.
what was that all about? Everywhere. I tell you.
I don't know which way to point.
Yeah,
I'll tell you. It's pretty rare that I've been able to shoot whales with a wide-angle lens. This one is coming up shortly, I think.
Yep. Oh,
Yeah.
going down. Yeah, you got it.
Stay low, you guys.
Oh,
Oh, yeah.
let's see them go. Oh my word. Look at that. He's right there. Oh, he's really checking it out. Oh, he's gonna give you a smile. Look at that.
Look at the size. Look at the size of those two.
They're huge.
Oh.
They get up to 15, 16 feet long.
How much does it cost you to touch one?
I can say if your hand's in the water and they come up and touch you, can't do anything about that. That's about my answer.
Oh.
Coming back.
Look at this.
More up
Look at this. Look at this. Look at this.
Look at that.
It's going right up there. Come by it.
Oh, there he is.
Oh, boy.
Oh my God, what a treat.
Wow, they're just hanging out by the boat here.
Oh, I took a good picture of it still. Oh, man. Oh, they're coming here, Ray. They're coming this way.
Stop.
Yeah, careful.
Stop, stop, stop.
Wow. That's pretty cool. Look at him. Oh, look at this.
Alright, so Deacon has a hydrophone set up at the bottom of the stairs there. You can, if you listen, you'll hear the whales talking.
These wheels are really loud.
Yeah, they are.
You can hear them really well sometimes. Oh, honey.
Right next to it, you can see it looked like it had hundreds and thousands of little pinholes in it. Tiny little holes all over it. Almost looks like pores on your, that you have on your arm. And but a little bigger. Oh, a little snow right up front. And that's where the vibrations from the water actually come into their head. And on the inside, it's like a big ball of fat is the best way to describe it. It jiggles around. Coming right out front for us. A couple of babies mixed in there with them. 9-year-old. Hanging out around 2 o'clock. Couple. Yeah, exactly. Babies when they're first born, they can't swim on their own. You might have to help them up. Right now we do it, when we go to 30, right now we go about 60. Not quite enough.
So there's a little bit more feeding happening at about our 11 o'clock, very close to the shore. So I just want to explore that. Just take us 5 minutes to get there. We'll be going just on the shore where you see the crane elevator and the raised contraption there. there's a couple hundred whales that have been gathering there for the last little bit.
What did he say?
Really? Look at that. Oh, cut it out. Oh, look at this. It's 2, 4, 6, 7 of them.
Looking ahead of us, folks. Wow. Just come out of nowhere.
That was so cool. Oh my God.
When Wally says wow, this is wow. 2, 4, 6, 8.
There you have to do something more than just later if you want to take it to you again.
Oh my goodness.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Post a comment if you have any questions or ideas, and I'll try to respond. That's all for now, but more videos are coming, and if you want to see them, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification icon if you don't want to miss one. This is Beta Cygni signing out, and keep looking up.